We're on the rise, everybody. Here's our first collaboration. So today I received a package in the mail of chargers and cables. And what we're going to be doing today is testing those with some well-known products that we have here. We have Anchor, Apple, and a company that's called Ugreen. So what I'm going to do is test these chargers and cables against some of these well-known brands. But before we begin, I just want to give a shout out to MFish for giving me this opportunity to review their products for testing. And we're going to see how they go up against Anchor, Apple, and Ugreen. So the purpose of this video is just to do the unboxing and overview of what I received in the mail. And then in the coming videos, that's when I'll do the performance and comparisons of the other brands. So this is the package here. Everything is still unopened and sealed. So let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. There's already a hole right here, so I'm just gonna cut right here. All right, coming out, let's go one by one. All right, so we got the charger here. So we got the 140 watt power port. Looks like there's 4 ports here, 3 USB-Cs and 1 USB-A. All right, what else we got here? Looks like a charging cable, 1 to 2. So it's a 1 to 2 cable, 140 watt max. And it looks like it displays the power output as well. All right, next up, looks like we got another charger here. So another power port here. It's 65 watts. Looks like we got another charging cable with multiple ports, USB-A, lightning port, 2 USB-Cs. So it's a 4-in-1, 240 watt max charging cable. What else we got in here? Another charging cable here. Looks to be another 4-in-1, 240 watt max. I think it's the same thing. So it's a 4-in-1, different plugins. This is a 6-in-1. So 240 watts as well. Looks like everything is 240 watts minus this one here, which is 140. So all the other 3 are 240 watts. And I think this is the last one. And this is a power bank. So it's a 10,000 mAh power bank here. So I'll definitely like to test this out with the iPhone to see how good it is. So yeah, so these are all the products that they shipped out to me. So we got a power bank. We got 4 different charging cables here. 3 of them do 240 watts. One of them do 140 watts. And then chargers here, we got a 65 watt. And then we also have a 140 watt charger. So these are the products that I plan to review. In upcoming videos, I'll be testing performance, build quality, and comparing them directly against Anchor and other brands like Ugreen and Apple. I'm going to see how they really stack up and compare against the other brands. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the full breakdown.